Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Samsung Galaxy Tab E, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move right here for the lock screen, click on the screen lock, and we can choose one of the following. Lock screen, I will go for the pattern. So let's draw with the pattern, click continue, draw it one more time and click confirm. After that we have to set the backup pin. So let's go with very easy 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do it second time. And right now we can easily lock our device by moving here and tapping on the power key. Tap it one more time. And then we are able to input new lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.